Alright guys, so looks like I found a whole stash of replaced light units. These are probably used on the Glidden sub. I could even see some incandescent lights. So yeah, over there you could see a WCH LED. WCH, I think first gen LED. So yeah. That looks like that also looks like a WCH LED. So yeah, this is where most of the replaced lights were ending up. This is an incandescent light as well. Are there any lights over here that have Electrotex LEDs? Okay. So yeah, guys. This is a WCH, the Generation 1 LED. So yeah, guys.